Good morning, class 7th. How are you all? Today I am going to discuss with you the long question answers of your chapter number 1. But first, I want to say something. The sixth part of your chapter, which is describe the various types of the following, you have to write the answer according to the marks. If the question is in 1 to 2 marks, then you have to write only the name of the types. And if the answer is given or question is given in 3 to 5 marks, then you have to write the introduction of the keyboard and explain each type of the keyboard, mouse and scanner. I hope you can easily understand. Now move to the first long question. What do you mean by hardware? What are its components? The answer is given on page number 3. Yes, here is the answer on page number 3. All the physical and mechanical devices attached together to make a computer system are called hardware. You can see or touch the hardware. There are two kinds of hardware components, external and internal. And you have to make the diagram after the answer. The diagram here I made hardware, which is divided into two components, external and internal. I hope you can easily understand. This is the first answer of part 1. Now, second question of part 8. Define touch screen. Write any 3 gestures and common uses of touch screen. The answer is given on page number 5. Here is the answer. A touch screen is a screen that you can touch with your fingers to input information. Your finger acts as a pointing device. Tablet, PC, smartphone and ATM use touch screen to input instruction. After writing this, you have to write these line. A gesture is a motion. You make a touch screen with the tip of one or more finger of your hand. And here is some common motions and their uses. Tap, stretch and pinch. You have to write only 3 motion and their uses. This is your second long question. Now move to the third question of your part 8. What is the use of output device? Explain smartboard and plotter. The answer of output device is given on page number 7 and smartboard and plotter is given on page number 8. First, you have to make the heading output device and write an output device is any hardware component that can convey information to a user. After that, you have to make a heading of smartboard and plotter. In smartboard, give the explanation as a smartboard is an output device that displays the image on a connected computer screen, usually via a data projector. And in plotter is a sophisticated printer used to produce high quality drawings such as blueprints, maps and circuit diagrams. This printer is used in specialized fields such as engineering and drafting and are usually very costly. This is the third long answer. Now fourth long answer And question is, define optical disc and explain its types. The answer is given on page number 8 and 9. First, you have to make the heading as optical disc and explain it. An optical disc is a type of storage media that consists of a flat, round, portable disc made of metal, plastic, and lacquer that is written and read by a laser. After this, you have to make the heading as compact disc and give the explanation of compact disc. Starting from here, compact disc is a flat, round, portable metal storage medium that is usually 4.75 inches in diameter and less than 1/20th of an inch thick. Two basic type of compact disc designed for use with computers are CD-ROM and DVD-ROM. You have to write the full form of CD-ROM and DVD-ROM here. After that, you have to make a heading of recordable CD and DVD and give the explanation as CDR and DVD-R are multi-session compact disc on which you can record your own items such as text, graphics, and audio. After that, you have to make the heading of rewrite-able CD and DVD. A CD RW and DVD RW are erasable discs that allow you to write multiple times. After that, you have to make other heading Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray is a new DVD format which has a higher capacity and better quality than standard DVDs. Here is the end of fourth long question. Now, last question of part 8. Fifth long question. What are communication devices? Explain the purpose of modem. Answer is given on page number 9. Here is the answer of fifth long question. A communication device is any type of hardware capable of transmitting data, instruction, and information between a sending device and receiving device. After that, leave one line and write the explanation of modem. A modem is a communication device. The word modem is derived from a combination of the words modulate, to convert digital signals to analog signals, and demodulate, to convert an analog signals to digital signals so that data can travel along an analog telephone line. Here is the end of part 8, long questions. Now part 9, application based question. You went to the shopping center with your family. On the billing counter, you saw a computer system. Which input and output devices were there at the billing counter of shopping center? Write their names. I hope you all are familiar with it. Whenever you go to the shopping center with your family, on the billing counter, you see that keyboard, mouse, barcode reader, monitor, printer. Here is the end of your chapter number 1. I hope you easily understand each and every question. If you have any problem, any doubt, please feel free to contact. Thank you and have a nice day.